Let's just try it. Am I dying? Good Lord. Okay, let's try it. Mmm.
Oh, hey, it's me, Amber.
Also, guess what? Oh, look at these guys. Hello. Little baby chocolates. For free from Glacier. You guys know Glacier's my favorite. Key lime. That's a good one. And then this chocolate one is always like a caramel milk chocolate. So, I don't know. Let's just eat them right now. Obviously. Let's see. Look how pretty this one is. Focus. Just whatever. Okay. It's like a chocolatey center. I got lipstick on my hands. That's fine. Man. Mmm. Delicious. Yeah. It's a good life here. Oh, what? That was the fire alarm at 4 in the morning. I just threw all of my clothes on. But it stopped, so am I gonna die, or should I definitely just go back to bed? Also, I don't wash my makeup off at night. Get over it. It would go off a long time, right, if I had to leave? Yeah, I'm going back to bed. Oh. I'm gonna wait it out. For the second time. It stopped again. Oh my God. Pro tip, leave your makeup on from the night before and you barely have to do it the next morning. I don't know how to do eyebrows and I do it. Feels stupid. Why can't I just be born with regular eyebrows on instead of these redheaded eyebrows? I'm excited because I have 2 different chocolates this morning. I love the creme brulee ones. Look. Cute. This is so good. Breakfast of champions. Enjoy your food. Is that what I'm saying now? I can't remember. Time to go to work. Let's go. It's Thursday. I have nothing super big planned for today. But we're gonna make a fun day out of it anyway, aren't we? Yes. So I just left work and now we get to play my favorite game ever called What Do We Get to Eat for Dinner? And I never know until I'm driving and then I panic and have to get into a different lane because I'm going the wrong way, so let's just think ahead. I'm thinking maybe a burger. Burger sounds nice. Let's try Burger Street. Coney's, I should have had Coney. Where's Burger Street? It's gonna be $1 billion, but food is worth it. Maybe that can be my tagline. Food is worth it. Here's Burger Street.
Welcome to Burger Street. Can I take your order, please?
I'm gonna need just a second, please. Can I have a number 1 with cheese, please, and no tomatoes? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. I'm always scared they're gonna be mad about my camera. Like, what are you doing filming here? Whatever I want. Let's eat already. Speaking of eating, good Lord. Burger Street has curly fries. Why didn't anybody tell me? Didn't even know I love Burger Street, but I do. Oh, look at this guy. Focus. This looks incredible. When's the last time you had a burger that was better than any burger you've ever had in your whole life? This is freaking good. Yo, Burger Street, why didn't nobody tell me about this? Guys, Burger Street's the way to go. And curly fries? Now if they just get freaking Coke products, Pepsi. Why? Okay, so I decided not to stay home. I'm actually gonna go out and meet my friend Scott. And I forgot to update you guys on my appraisal yesterday. I ended up appraising for like significantly more than I thought it would, like significantly more. It just opens up a lot more doors. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to update you guys. Again, March 25th, not to keep saying it. I just wanna tell you all the details, but just not ready yet, so we can't. This is a perfect time for my good sign off, but what even is it? What the heck? Just past my exit. What's that guy doing? Just sitting in the drive-thru? That's weird. Bye.